Okay, hello guys. Good evening. Welcome to the final town hall meeting of Nocode Africa Cohort II. Yeah, I hope you guys can hear me now. Yeah, please, if you can hear me, please let me know, please. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Bethan. I appreciate your response. And City Woman, thank you very much too. Okay, audio is fine. Kingsley, thank you very much. Victor, thank you. Okay, so welcome guys. We will try not to like waste so much of time today. I really hope that everyone can come up so that we can have like a very short town hall meeting this time around, right? So okay, so let me try to put it on the communities so that we can all be available for the meeting. I'm trying to see how I can put it out across to all the groups that I am part of, so that they can come online. So today we will just focus on presenting. We will just focus on presenting just the final outcome of what we've done on Flutter Flow. Yeah, because that's like the main thing. But tomorrow we will present. We'll show how the whole thing was done. That's from user flow, which is done in Figma, to the Figma designs, that's the UI UX designs, and then to, if at all there was a questionnaire or anything that was made available to ensure that that the whole project succeeded, right? So let's just see how we can get this done. I'm going to try to put it across to other groups. Like I'm trying to put it on the final project groups. Yeah, so that people can join. Yeah. So as soon as I can get a good number of people on the group, then we can. Okay, we can join. I'm trying to put it across to everyone, right? Uh, okay, so I'm trying to look at the groups that I am currently like a part of, and then put it all across to them. So far, there has been like massive progress from everyone involved, and guys, this is like the end. Like we're almost close to the end, and we just need to buckle up and ensure that we do the final thing that makes sense. Yeah. Um, so I would like to like still give the option for any member of a particular group who has been assigned to present to just indicate and say, okay, I will be presenting for the so project. The idea is just to make like a short presentation of what has been done on Flutter Flow. That's the mobile application or the web application, so that we can like have an overview of the people that will be presenting tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, so who would like to present first? Okay, so Bethan, you will be presenting for which project? So Bethan said, okay, for event planning. Okay, so all right, I will drop the link right now so you can join the group. Sorry, not group, the StreamYard. So please click the link and join StreamYard. Please click the link and join StreamYard. And okay, so Joy said she will present for language learning app. Great. All right. So we will stick to just presenting the mobile application. So we will not talk about the UI UX designs or any of those. We will just focus on just the what is it called? The Flutter Flow project, like what you have done so far. Okay, great. So Kingsley will be presenting for No Code Forest. Now we already have like 3 entries, so we need more. Peter, are you here? I think Peter is always presenting for the influencer marketing application. All right. So after Bethan, we will have Joy. After Joy, we'll have Kingsley. Then please, for the next sets of people who will present, please just drop your, just indicate that I will be presenting for social group, and then let's go live. All right, Bethan, welcome.
Thank
Bethan,
you.
you're live. Okay.
All right.
Okay. Please go ahead and make a presentation. Just show
Yeah,
us like
okay.
what you've done on Flow.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, I have seen your.
Sorry.
Okay, so I've added the. Okay, you closed it.
Yeah, that was the browser. I wanted to reload it from flow to flow.
Okay,
Sorry, minute.
sure,
Please
no
kindly
problem.
me 2 bit.
Sure, we're here. We'll wait. Okay, so I didn't do what I used to do before. So I will just greet Betan. I will pause you briefly. Okay, like I'll mute you briefly.
Oh, okay.
All right. So usually I always greet everyone that joins the session. So hi Peter, welcome. City Woman, welcome. Yeah, Bethan is already here. Bethan, welcome. Joy, welcome. Emeka, welcome. Victor, welcome. Kingsley, welcome. Jay, welcome. Okay, so I think Peter. This is Peter again. Yes. Okay, so I think that's it. So Victor will be presenting for Niche Social Network. That's amazing. This will be like the very first time they are presenting. So we will allow you to show your UI UX designs. Yes, if you have it. Right. So since this is like the very first time, I was really looking forward to this project. Okay. Uh Batan, you can unmute yourself. Sorry. I had to just mute you temporarily.
Try sharing.
Okay, yes, I have added your project to the stream so we can see it. Okay.
Sorry.
Is this the
Yeah,
run mode, or is this the run mode or debug mode?
this
This is run mode, right?
network.
Yeah, is this the
Hello?
run mode? Yeah, is this the run mode or debug mode?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Is this the run mode
Hello?
or debug mode?
Okay. This is the run mode.
Okay. Okay, no problem. We'll wait for it to
The
show up.
de-
Yeah, don't worry, we are aware your network is a little bit laggy, but no problem. We will be here with you.
network is, yeah, it's alright. Thanks.
Okay, so don't worry, it will load. I think it's just network. It will load. Okay, I'm not getting any sound from you again. Like there's no sound from your end, and your console. Okay.
Can you hear me now? Can you
Oh
see
yes,
my
yes, I can.
screen?
Yes, I can see your screen, but you were
Can
frozen
you
for
see the screen?
some. Yes, yes, we can see the screen.
Yeah, the network. So this is our landing page.
Okay.
We also have the hamburger menu. So the get started is going to link us to an onboarding screen, three onboarding screens actually. So
Okay.
click next, and next, and then it goes to the sign up
Okay.
button, button, an email address. I can say button@gmail.com. Then a phone number, maybe 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then password can be button. Then I sign up. So it gives a snack bar of successful, and then it automatically
Okay.
takes me to a dashboard whether I'm a user or an event organizer. So if I click that I'm a user, it takes me to the user section
Okay.
of the dashboard. Roles homepage.
Okay.
So all these have been queried from the database. So we have
Okay.
we are yet to we didn't include this profile picture, but you can upload your profile picture in the upload settings in the profile. So if you click on any of this, if I click on this new NABA event, it takes me to the full details of that event. So there is also a section called See More. If I go to See More, they've all been queried and they are showing the full details of each of the respective events that will be taking place. So once you
Okay.
click an event and then you click on the buy ticket, it takes you to the booking details form. RAM database,
Okay.
so I can just say Bethan, the event name, okay, maybe Apostle Suleiman, a record of looking for. Then let's say I just say Bethan at Gmail, gmail.com. And then maybe the location of that event is in Lagos. The date
Okay.
is 24th of April, and then maybe the time is 5 p.m. So after that, I can actually proceed to payment. This information to the back end, and at the same successfully, we don't have a pay stack account. So it's just go directly to the payment successful page. So from here now, we're meant to go to our view e-ticket, but we don't know what happened here. It's coming out blank and it's already linked. So I
Yeah.
don't know, maybe
Yeah.
there
Yeah.
is a bug. I've been
No. No.
trying to fix
There's a
it. So
particular.
it's meant to show the
There's there's a widget that is meant to be filled with something for it to show that you haven't filled. Yeah. Okay.
oh,
So I
and there
think
is
by
no error
tomorrow.
showing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. This what we'll do. This what we'll do by tomorrow, right? We will do like a
Yeah.
laboratory. So anybody that has any issues, we could just like look at it
Yeah.
together and fix it before
Issues.
the presentation tomorrow.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
we were having a slight issue with querying because the e-ticket is meant to have the details of the booking. So we're trying to use the app states, but it wasn't showing. It was giving us an error, and we've been battling with that for quite a few hours. So we still don't know
Okay.
how we're going to move the form that is being filled in the bookings details to show in the ticket details.
Okay, all right. So we will do that tomorrow. Like we're going to have
Yeah.
tomorrow is Thursday. Yeah, so we will have like we'll have like laboratories early. Like not it
All
might
right.
be in the morning hours. Yeah. So yes, tomorrow
Okay.
we'll have labs. Then we can just stay here and focus and do a lot of fixing and everything. Okay?
16. Yes, but
Yeah.
basically we are through with our UI. So let me go back to if I go to my profile, there is okay, go back to home page. If I go to my home if I click on the original image here, but if I click on this, it will take me to click on this. Sorry, I'm coming. I don't know what's why it's not showing the cursor. Okay.
Maybe you didn't add an. Okay.
It's not showing, but if I click on this, we actually added a circle image, because you will see that it's showing that gallery. Do I say yes, select from my gallery, and I pick an image? I don't know why it's not showing that particular thing. Let me see. I pick an image.
Okay.
It has uploaded that image, and then I upload my details. Let's just say I upload my details as Elizabeth. Email. This is just for people that, because they didn't have access to upload their image when they were signing up. So this is how they're gonna have to upload their image after they sign in. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the location, my location, and I say update profile. Now, after I update the profile, it's going to take me to my profile page. And when it takes me back to the profile page, it's meant to show my image here. Can you see?
Yeah, it does.
It's showing my image here, but it's not showing that. It's not showing that icon in the update, and everything is clearly showing on Flutterflow. So I don't know what the issue likely is. So
okay, so we will look at this particular issue also tomorrow during the labs. Yeah.
So
all right.
From the logout here, when we click on the logout, it should log us back out to the homepage. So
okay,
what is left is just a little few details in the users and then the admin section, and we're done.
Yeah. Sorry, my eyes are itching. Okay. All right. No problem. This is good. Yeah, this is good so far. Yeah. Well done. Well done to you and your team.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. No problem. So we'll have the labs tomorrow. I will announce the time later today, so that we can know the time for the labs. And we will try to fix all the bugs before tomorrow. Well done. This is good.
All right.
This is good.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. You're welcome.
Can I leave the studio?
Yes. Okay. So beautiful presentation and beautiful work from Bethan and team, right? Sorry guys, I don't know. I have an irritation in my eyes. I have no idea what's going on. So all right. So Joy, I think Joy is the next to present. So Joy, please join the studio and present for the language learning app. Yeah. Please, you will have just I think 5 minutes, please. We won't spend a lot of time today. Yeah. So you have 5 minutes to make a presentation. So just show us. All right. For anyone else who wants to run it in live mode, please run it now already. Like run it while you're already there. Yeah. So so that when you're presenting it, right, we won't have to run it all over again. So please just run it now before you enter the studio. Yeah, so this information is for Kingsley. Please try and run the no code forest application, if at all it's to the point that you can run it. Right, so you can run it first, and then okay. Joy said designer will present. So that should be Jay. Jay, are you here? Jay, if you're here, please click on the link to the StreamYard, because Joy is saying you're going to be the one to present. So please click on the link to StreamYard and join the studio, and then present your screen. Please, what you just need to present is just a Flutterflow, what has been done on Flutterflow. Yeah, Joy, I understand, right? So we just want you to present what you've achieved on Flutterflow. Yeah, then if at all it's already live, like I mean, if at all you've reached the point where you can run it, it has been connected to database, please, you can just run it before entering the studio. But if at all you did not do it, please enter the studio and still run it, please. But anyone else, please try to run it before time. So Igwe, this information is also for you. Igwe, please run your application before it's your turn, because after Kingsley will be you. Okay, after Victor will be you. So after Kingsley is Victor, then after Victor is Igwe, and I've not seen anybody else from another team so far. Myself and Joy are not in the same project, chairman. Okay, so no, there's another Jays that I know. Yeah, so he's actually in Joy's group. So Joy, please, where is the product designer who will be presenting uh for your team, please, so that so okay, City Woman said she'll be presenting. So we have 5 minutes, please, to present. Yeah. And I will have to time. So you just present for 5 minutes. So Joy, please, where is Jay's? I think that's like the nickname I know him by. The guy is super good. I will give him full credit on the group. Yeah, he designed Nocode Africa's website. Like, he created the UI for our site. I will put it up for you guys to check it out very soon, because I'm almost done working on it. Yeah. So please, where is he? We don't have much time. I want us to close the class by 7. Yes, the meeting. Okay, so if Jay is not here, I would like Kingsley. Kingsley, please click on the link below and join the studio and make a presentation. After that, I think by then. Oh, Joy, I've not seen him in the studio. I've not seen Jay in the studio, because if at all I have seen him, I would know. Like, it would show here, but he is not here. Please, Kingsley, please, if at all you're here, please join the studio. We have 5 minutes to just show what we have done. We don't want to like spend so much of time here today. All right, talk to Jays. I think this is you. So I have click on the link and join. Like, click on the link and join the studio, please, so that you can make a presentation within 5 minutes, please. I hope you've already run the application. Yeah. Joy, I have seen your message. I'm requesting for him to click to join the studio. All right, Jay, welcome. Can you hear me? Hello, Jay, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
Okay, all right, welcome. Please, can you go ahead and share your screen? You have 5
Okay.
minutes to make your presentation.
Okay.
Meanwhile, Kingsley, welcome to the studio. Yeah. After Jay, you will present. Please hold on. Okay,
Can
so
you see my?
Jay's, yes, I've pushed your, yeah. So do you want to just show us like this, or you want to show us in run mode?
Okay.
Okay, permit me to mute your. Okay, it's fine now. Okay, so if you can show us in run mode, just click the run mode. Is it loading? Like, is the run mode loading?
Okay. Yeah, it's loading now. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. I can see it.
Oh,
While we are waiting for the run mode to run, take us back to your
okay.
screens. Let's just take us through the screens that you've implemented. Then after that, you bring us back to the run
Okay.
application. No,
So
I
can you
don't
see
mean
my
the
screen?
screens. No, I don't mean the
Okay,
screens here. I mean the screens on
okay.
Flutter Flow. Yes.
So this is the screen. Let me show you the dashboard.
Meanwhile, for every single team that is present, please, you will send me screenshots of your you can send me screenshots of your application, like what you've done. Let me use it to create a buzz on social media so that we can have lots of people attending the demo day, right? We never can tell, and a potential employer might be around. Who knows? So yeah, let's see the pages. Just go through different pages.
Okay, so
This
this
is
is the dashboard.
okay.
Okay, this is the dashboard, and this is the booking page. We are working on it,
Okay.
and okay, I think this is the doc page, doc description.
Okay.
So, and this is the settings page, like a profile page.
Okay.
So this is the explore culture
Okay.
page. So see, these are the questions that will firstly be asked when they want to sign up.
Okay.
So this is the interest page. Okay, which is the explore page. So this is the explore page,
Okay.
and then so okay, this is also another question page.
Okay.
This is the skill level page.
Has your run mode finished?
Okay, let me check.
Okay.
Um,
If your run mode has finished, you could just take us through a brief overview of the application. Please, you have like 2-3 minutes, please.
can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see the screen.
Okay. It's not moving.
Sorry, I will mute your background for now. It's quite noisy. Yeah, so just go ahead and navigate through the pages, right? We will just see. Just navigate through the pages. I know you can hear. So just navigate through the pages. Like take us through your onboarding and then sign up into the application. Meanwhile, beautiful onboarding page. Your use of gradient is remarkable. Then yeah, go ahead and let's say register. Okay, how can we recognize you as a student? Okay. All right, go ahead. Okay, so I think later on you have to change the color of the text, the imputed text, yeah, because it's supposed to be white so that your user can see what they typed. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, continue. Just fill up then. But please don't forget, don't write any sensitive data online, please. All right, Joy, we're seeing your comments. Okay, go ahead. There are a couple of things that needs to be changed, but this is okay. Makes sense. Okay. Okay, go ahead. All right, so I think this is a job well done. This makes sense. This is a good application so far. Well done. So Betan did an amazing job. You and your team, you guys did an amazing job too. Okay, so I think you don't have much time again. You've exhausted your time. We have seen how the application looks like. At least you've implemented authentication and your onboarding processes. Please try and see how you can like create it and wrap up like what you've done so far, like so that we can have like at least a 70% completed application by Friday, right? So also please give me for Bethan, if you're still here, please find a way and get me a snapshot of your project, like send it to me as a document on WhatsApp. The same thing with the language learning app team. Please send me a snapshot. I will use it to create a buzz around LinkedIn tomorrow, so that we can have a good number of people, coming to participate in the demo day on Friday. Okay, so Jace, I think we will be saying thank you at this point. Thank you very much. You can unmute yourself and say something. I just had to mute you because your background was noisy. If your background is a bit better now, you could just unmute and say something.
Okay, sir. I can hear you.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
can
no
you hear me now?
problem. Yes, I can hear you. I can hear you. I was saying well done to you and your team. You guys did an amazing job. So, yeah. So just try and see how you can wrap up the whole thing and make it like solid proof by Friday. Okay.
Okay, okay.
All
We
right.
try
Thank you very
to.
much.
Okay, good. Thank you, sir.
All right. Yeah, and also thank you for the UI design for Nocode Africa.
No problem, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. All right, Kingsley. Kingsley, please, you're up next. Joyce, there's only two people in the group. Wow, you guys have done some good job. Well done. So, Kingsley, please, you're up next. Click on the link to join the studio. Please, 5 minutes. After Kingsley, we will have Victor. After Victor, we will have City Woman. Right? Kingsley. Okay. All right, Kingsley, welcome. Hello, Kingsley. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. All right. So, please, kindly make a 5 minutes presentation about the project. Just show us what has been done inside Flow.
Okay, let me present.
Okay,
Just-
sure. I think this is your first time on StreamYard
Presenting?
here.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Yeah, it should be pretty easy. There's a present button here, so you can just click and share screen. Yeah,
Yeah, I got it.
great.
Okay.
All
Okay,
right.
can you
So
see my screen?
yes, I can see your screen. Let's go.
Okay, so this is the preview mode. Good day, everyone. So we had a little bug while trying to run. So show currently fixing that.
Okay,
So
no
okay,
problem.
I'll just
We can.
go through the screens. We've implemented, let's say, 90% of the screens. These
Okay.
categories are going to be queried from the database. They've already been created on Firebase. So it's just this night we're going to be working to connect them. So this
Okay.
is
Okay, I think your network is disconnected. I don't think it's mine. I'm still very connected, but I can't seem to hear you again, Kingsley. I think I have lost you temporarily. Kingsley, I have lost you. Okay, so guys, I don't know. Is it from my end? Oh, it's not from my end. I think it's from his end because I think he just got out of the studio. Okay, so Victor, please be on standby to join the studio, please. Victor, let me get your surname again. Victor, okay, Pelemo. I hope I got that right. So yeah, Victor, please be on standby. Would like you to present the niche social network. You can join the studio now. So I'm pasting the link again. So please click to join the studio while we anticipate Kingsley's return. Yeah, Victor, if you're here, Victor Pelemo. I really hope I didn't murder your surname. Victor P. Yeah, I think that might work. Please, can you join the studio so that you can be on standby to make a presentation while we are still expecting Kingsley to join back? All right, so Victor, then City Woman, you will be next after Victor. Then, okay, let me confirm, please, before I mix up the whole thing. Okay, I think after Victor is Igwe. Oh, there's Namdi first. Okay, so I think I'm just getting it now. Please, apologies. So Namdi commented first before Igwe. So I would like to just follow this hierarchy. So Namdi, please, you can join. You can be on standby too. So Victor, all right, Victor, welcome. Victor, can you hear me?
Yeah, I think yeah.
Okay, great. All right, welcome. Please, you have like 5 minutes to make a presentation. Just show us what you've been able to do, you and your team. Yeah, just this is more like a very short presentation, just for us to have an idea of what has been done so far. Yeah, so please help share your screen and let's see what you've done. I have been anticipating this particular project, actually, the niche social network. So which of the niches did you guys decide to follow?
Okay, oh, it's just me. I'm the only person in the group. No one joined.
Ah, okay, no problem. All right,
I'm
makes
sorry. I'm
sense.
trying
So are
to.
you okay? So are you a product designer yourself?
I'm actually just well, I'm a pro designer. I'm still practicing. But yeah. So what I
Okay.
didn't
Oh,
really, I was pretty much doing it on the go. I'll just develop the first screen I want to work on and the next like that. I'm trying to share. I'm coming. Please.
okay, sure, no problem. We're here. Kingsley, just be on standby. If you're back, you will be allowed to share again. I just didn't want to like waste anyone's time.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Okay, yes, I've added your screen to the stream. Yes. Okay, so yeah, you could just
Okay,
demo
so
the
is
project. Hmm.
okay,
No,
okay, sorry.
well, I think you have issues in your project, so you might not be able to run it. So just take us through the screens that you've done inside Flutterflow. No need to preview the app.
Okay,
Just
okay,
take
okay.
us through the screens. Yeah.
All right. So basically, is a niche social network that's for no coders, but specifically Flutter Flow developers. So
Wow.
you come into the
Nice.
platform, yeah. So that's the direction I went with. To get started, is basic uh, sign up features.
Okay.
So the internal user enters their email and password, and when they log in, I haven't finished up on the feed screen, but ideally you should be able to see different projects by different no-code
Projects.
developers. Yeah.
Okay,
So when you
great.
click on a when you click on a specific project by another no coder, it brings you to sorry, I
That's
didn't
the
run you through
profile part.
I didn't run you
Okay.
so it brings you to the project information page. So here you can see the project name, the project owner, and you can see the snapshot of the project here. This I don't know if it's highlighting it. You can also like
Yeah,
the
yeah, I can see
project.
it.
Yeah, you can like the project. You can click on this message icon on the right, which will enable you to
Okay.
message the owner of the project directly. On this bottom um, on the bottom end of the page, you can also see the details of the project. You can click to learn more, and it will take you to the description of the project, and you can inquire about it. When you click on this inquire, it just shows you a form where you see the costs of the project, because you can also come and buy project as well as communicate to developers. If you click on
Great.
this chat button here, it brings you to the chat screen. Yeah, it brings you to a chat screen where you can communicate with another no coder. When I complete it, the when I if I complete it to the vision I have in mind, there'll be like a forum where different no coders can communicate one with another,
Okay.
just like a WhatsApp group or whatever. Then you can also
Okay.
see the different chats that this is in. Anyway, yeah. So from here, you can also see different charts, all the charts that you have with different, just like your regular WhatsApp feature, different charts you have with different no code developers. The
Okay.
screens I'm working on, I'm still working on the find expert or find just regular search. Sorry.
Okay. This is good so far. Yeah, this is good so far. Just try and see how you can add more functionality and features to it. Okay? This is good so far. Well done.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
just try to see how you can improve the project and make it, at least push it to 50%, both functionality and design.
Oh,
So that, yeah,
okay.
so you
Okay.
can present it on Friday. All right. Well done.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. So well done to Victor and team. And he is basically the team. So well done. All right. So Kingsley, if you're still here, you could just join the studio at once and I can put you back on the stream so you can continue from where you stopped. But if at all you're not there, we are going to have okay, so Namdi, please, you're supposed to be the one to present online art gallery. After Namdi, Igwe will present the travel planning app. And then after that, we will have City Woman. Then I think that's all. Okay. So I think that's it so far. Okay, so let's see. Hi. All right, so Namdi, if at all you're still here, please join. If you're not here, Igwe, please join the studio. I'm trying to see how we cannot spend too much time here. We've already done 44 minutes. I want us to close in exactly 1 hour. Okay, please. So Namdi, you will have like 3 minutes. Igwe, you have like 3 minutes as well. City Woman, please, if at all you're available, please join the studio. I will not really follow the order anymore. I just want us to present, like anyone that's available to present can present. We will have an arrangement of how it will be presented on Friday. I will select the projects that we'll present. I will give some sort of order so that we won't have to be passing through all of this, right? Yes, please, City Woman, if you're available, please. The link is found below. Just click it to join the StreamYard studio and then go ahead and then make a presentation, please. We are running out of time. Okay, so all right, Igwe is here. Igwe, welcome. Peter, I can see you in the studio. Please just hold on. Namdi, I've seen you in the studio too. Please hang on. Igwe, please, you have 3 minutes to make a presentation. Please, can you make a presentation?
Yeah, can you see me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Please, you have like 3 minutes to make a presentation. Let's see what you have done in Flutterflow for the Japa planning app. Japa. So after Igwe will be Igwe is up already. Namdi, please just hold on. Yeah. Igwe, are you trying to share your screen?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, so I can see your screen. Please
Can you see
just
my screen?
yes, please just run us through your uh yeah, run us through your project in Flow. Like, don't run the application, just show us the screens that you've implemented and give us an idea
Okay.
whether the project is 50% complete, 70% complete, both front end and back end. Like, I mean, after you're done showing us.
Nice. No, hope you are seeing the screen.
Were you running the application before, or you're running it for the first time? I don't want you to run the application. Just show us what you have done.
Nah, I'm not
Show us.
running the application.
Okay, you're trying to just open this thing, the dashboard. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. No,
Your
we
network.
have
Your network is quite poor. Sorry about that.
yeah. Yeah, we have added right?
Igwe, your network is really bad. I can see what you're presenting, and you're breaking equally. Okay, now this is when your screen shows. Okay, Igwe, sorry, I can't really like grab what you're saying and presenting. I will have to take you off for now. What I would say is, can you send me the web published version of your application so I can just go through it, please? I will request for it in the group. I have to take you off now. Okay, so Igwe has a poor network. I wasn't really getting him. Namdi, you're up next. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can
Hello,
hear you. Good evening.
Okay, yeah, good evening. I think maybe you have the YouTube turned on somehow. You could mute it. You could mute the YouTube pod so it doesn't have the echoing. Yeah.
No, the YouTube this thing is closed. I've closed the tab for YouTube.
Okay, all right. Please help us make a presentation. Just like use 3 minutes to show us what you have done inside Flow.
Okay. All right. So you're coming. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, I have added your screen to the StreamYard. Please go ahead and show us what has been implemented so far.
All right. Um, sorry guys. Good evening. You guys will have to bear with me and my system. I don't want to give excuses anymore about it. So just flow with it. Right from when you said you should, okay, voila, that's common. It has been running since you said everyone should run their
Okay.
app to it.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're using the iPhone 14 Pro Max screen. So I have to zoom out so that I can see the screen.
Okay.
All right. So this is the it's supposed to be our landing page. So you
Okay.
start from here, you swipe to the left. When you swipe, you read the next. You can either skip or you click the sell now button, but let's just skip it. Don't worry. So now this is supposed to be our interest page, but I found it difficult to implement anything yet on it. But I just kept it there. I don't want to delete it out. I'll try my best on it. If I can't
It's
do
okay.
anything, I will
It's
take
okay.
away the page. But you skip.
No, don't take any
So
page
when you
out. It's
skip,
okay.
you
Just
okay. So it's supposed to be landing page where you choose either to log in or get started. So you should go to the get started. Get started will take you through the process of registration as usual. Let's just do a fresh registration to be sure that our backend is working perfectly.
okay.
Let's see. Okay, so supposed to sign up. On sign up will take you into. Please don't fail me. Please, I beg you.
Just take
All
it
right.
easy. Okay.
Yeah. So when you sign up, you get to let me call it. Let me just say the is the profile page of. I've not implemented the edit button whereby you can edit to put in your image to upload your image.
Okay.
I've not inserted
You
the
have 1 minute
authenticated
left,
user in.
please.
Okay, sorry about that. I'm coming. Let
Yeah.
me take take it back to. Hold on, please. Let me use the buy now. So when you
Okay.
get to the main page, it's supposed to load the featured artists that we have. Everything is going to load from the database. That's why it's taking time.
Okay.
It's loading images, but the names have appeared already. Just left with the image and slow network.
Okay. I understand.
So
Okay. So
here's
I
carousel that will show the artist. Then for sculpture, is a carousel where
okay.
you slide your left to
Yeah.
your right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do me a
Okay,
favor.
fine. You
Yeah.
can start the copy.
Okay. This is good. Do me a favor, right? Have you done web publishing on it?
No, no, no. I've not done web publishing on it
Yeah. Please go ahead and
because
do
I'm
web
still yet
publishing
to
after. Yeah.
implement.
Go ahead. Yeah, I understand. You can still just do web publishing and send me the URL. Let me go through it personally, right? Yeah, because we don't have time again.
Okay.
I wanted us to have this session for just 1 hour. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So I think what you've done so far is
All right.
remarkable. It's
Thank you so much.
amazing. Yeah. Yeah. What you've done is amazing. Well done. I like the fact that it's connected to the back end, and your use of gradient is amazing. It's good. It's really good. Okay. So I will take you off the stream now.
All right. Thank you, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much. I really appreciate. So okay guys. Peter said he'll be presenting and we don't have much time again. So City Woman, I do not know whether you're here. I requested earlier if you were here so you could join the studio, but Peter, all right. So Peter, over to you. Please show us what you have for influencer marketing. Please, you have just 2 minutes. Please share your screen. Just 2 minutes. Walk us through what has been done so far. Only Flutter Flow. All right, Peter, please
Yes,
stick.
let me
Yeah,
know if you can see my screen.
yes, I can see your screen. Please, you have just 2 minutes, please. After this will be
Okay.
Chika.
Okay, we have done the authentication of this. Once you sign in, you can also click to sign up here. So once you do that, take you down to where you choose your profile and all that. But let me run it from this part instead of doing the sign up all over again. So this is the landing
Okay.
page. Then we have the login account, then the sign up. We have the influencers, list of influencers, then the influencers profile, then brand list of brands.
Okay.
Then if you want to create a campaign,
Okay, this is good.
then we list of campaign.
Campaigns.
Then you can also click here to create a campaign to take you back to the campaign form.
Okay.
So we have this choose your profile, if you're an influencer or a brand. But this will come in
Okay.
once you sign up or sign in
Okay.
as a new
Okay.
user. But we have done the
Okay.
authentication at the back end too.
Okay. This is good.
So this is the view profile for influencers.
Okay.
Then this is the pricing page for influencers. Then
Okay.
pricing page for brands. Then this is when you want to change your plan. Change your plans here now.
Okay.
The list of campaigns. This is for influencer dashboard.
Okay.
Then this is the payment plan. You can either pay through bank transfer or pay via your debit card or pay via either Paystack or Floater Flow. So we are
Great.
going to
This is
integrate
good.
that. So
Okay.
I think that is that. I want to ask a quick question. On this dashboard, is there API to pick up the like once you do a promo on LinkedIn, is there API to pick up the reach and all that?
I think it's possible to actually get something like that and plug in, but I don't know if LinkedIn allows, like, gives access to their APIs to external part. But if they have, then it's possible to plug in here. Yeah.
Okay. And
So I
also
will.
this part too,
Okay.
if there's API for this, so show the
To plot
reading and all
graphs.
that.
To plot
Yes.
graphs. Yes, there's a widget
Yes.
for graphs. There's a widget for graphs on Flutterflow. Yes. Yeah, and
Okay.
it can get the value from database. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So tomorrow during the labs, we will just talk about some of this. Okay.
Okay. Thanks so much.
All right. Thank you very much. Nice and
Okay.
quick presentation. So, Chika, um, Chika, if at all you're here, you can just quickly join the studio. City Woman, if at all you're still here too, you can still join the studio. But we will close in the next 5 minutes. Yeah, I wanted us to just do this within 1 hour, and we had lots of drags here and there, but I think we're good. City Woman is Zainab, okay? So City Woman, it says here they will need to connect their mic or camera before you can add them to the stream. That's what it's telling me. I can add it to the stream because. So Chika, if at all you're here, please join the studio. We will close in 4 minutes. And one request that I am making right now is, please, for your project, go ahead, and the idea was for project and also like have you say something about it, have some confidence. So, but I want you to just go ahead and like run web publishing for your project and send. I will drop a form for you to submit it, like submit the project so that I can see it. So Zainab is here. Zainab is still telling me that you will need to connect to your mic. So I will allow Chika to present quickly. So Chika, you have just 2 minutes to show us what you've done on Flutterflow. Okay, Zainab, your stuff is working now. Please, I mean, you've connected correctly to StreamYard. So I will allow you to present for 2 minutes after Chika, please. So Chika, please go ahead and show us what you've done. Just 2 minutes, please.
All right, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. What you could do is click on preview app and then run through. Just click on that preview app button, and then you will just be moving from screen to screen. Yeah, I think it's faster that way. Just like what Peter did. It's like it looks faster. Yeah.
So, we at broad level, but I ran into a bug I have no bugs on the app itself, but it just keeps loading. It doesn't come up. So we're still
Okay,
trying
well,
to fix.
all right, no problem. If you can fix it tonight, we will check it out together during the lab tomorrow. So just take us through the screens that you've implemented from start to
Okay.
finish, and yeah,
So from
then
start, we have our splash screen that has a delay. Welcome to Utopia. Then we have our onboarding screen for users. We go straight to the landing page where users can either get started to go to our buy house and see some of our listings, or sign up as a client, get through our premium package, or sign up as an agent or landlord. All of that is there. Some of our properties, some of our agents, and our testimonies are also loaded from the back end here.
okay, please show us the other pages. You have like 1 minute now. Sorry.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
So we have
Just,
creating a
just
user.
yeah, just
Okay.
click through it. Let's just see what has been done so far.
Okay.
And
So this is
okay, go ahead.
when you click on it, this is the cropped page. You can see based on search and based on recommendation. When you click on it, you can have the full pages. This is the rent, buy, and agents. So you could get the house details. You could schedule a tour where you see your payments and all of that. You can either select
Okay.
to have a video session or a physical inspection and do your payments. These are
Okay.
your searches. These are listings
The
based on the
filters. Okay.
filter. So we've implemented the search filter and all of that. And
This is good.
okay, so
Okay.
I guess I'm done.
All right, no problem. Thank you very much. Good work. So please go ahead and then execute, do a web publishing, and I will submit a form very soon. I don't mean now. I mean, yeah, you can stop presenting now. You can do web publishing, and then I will drop a form for everyone to fill so that I can have access to it and go through it. Yeah. Thank you very much, Ben. That was really quick and fast. Zainab, that's City Woman. Please, you are up.
Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Okay.
Yeah, so you have 1 minute. Please, just 1 minute. Yeah, just show us like just snapshots of what you've done, and yeah, after that you later on you can just run on web publishing, and then I'll request for the I'll submit a form for you to upload the link so that I can go through it. I just yes, can see your screen. Yeah.
Essentially, this is the login page where you either choose whether you're a client or you're a beauty vendor. So you can sign up and create a profile for any one of these roles. And then when you create a profile, maybe I should just take you to the pages that I have.
Yeah, just preview the pages and then run us through the pages.
So I don't have to waste time because it will require me to fill in my details. Okay, so this is the welcome page. You have the welcome page. You have.
Sorry, we can't see that screen. We can't see that screen. You might need to.
Oh, you can't see this one. Oh,
yeah.
sorry.
I think yeah, we can see this screen. Okay. I think the way you decided to share is what is holding us. Yeah.
Let me stop sharing that and share something else. Sorry.
Okay.
Okay. So essentially, this is a welcome page, right?
Do like this. Sorry, hold on. Sorry for cutting you short. Click on preview. Click on preview app. Yeah, and then you will see a button. Click on it.
Yeah.
Have you clicked on preview app?
Yes.
It's supposed to be previewing, but it's not previewing. Oh, I think you're sharing a specific screen. You have to share your I don't know.
My entire screen.
I think so. Yeah, so that it can allow us to see any other screen that it's been created.
Because let me just.
Okay, let's do it like this, right? Okay.
Can you see now?
All right, just run us through. Click on the arrow right button and just run us through it.
Okay, so this is the welcome page, and then you, if you forget your password or anything, you can just request for a password change. This is where you create your profile, There is a profile page for user, and then there's a profile page for the vendor. Then this is like the main login page where you get to select your role, either as a client or a beauty vendor, or sorry, this was supposed to be the quiz page. This is so I'm trying to create a beauty feed for the app where users, if they need to have any information around any beauty trends, they can come here and see posts. So that's what I'm trying to create with this page.
Okay.
And then if you need to see the particular post, you just need to click here, this button, and then it takes you to this page where you view the post, view the vendor, and then this information takes you to the vendor's profile. You can navigate back.
Okay.
So this is the products page. I already queried all this from the back end. Everything is fine on
Well,
this page. There is a tab view here that shows trending products at this tab bar page shows trendy products. I don't know why it's not loading. And then this is the user profile page. When you
okay.
sign up, this is what
Sorry, your
you're
time. Sorry that your time is up. Sorry.
Oh, that's fine. I was trying to rush through it, but it's okay.
Yeah, I get it. You've done an amazing job. Please, what you will just need to do is I'm gonna drop a form after this meeting. So you will fill in you drop the the link to your web published
Okay, that's
view.
fine.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much. Okay, so Igwe, I saw you some time ago in the studio, but now I don't see you again. Okay, so I think we have exhausted the time. What we just need to do now is, please, for everyone else that hasn't been able to present, go ahead and then generate execute web publishing in your application, and then I will drop the form for you to submit it. So that I can go through it this night. Yeah, and the team as well. So the whole Nocode Africa team will go through it, and we will check out what you've done so far, and we'll see how to organize like a quick laboratory tomorrow to help fix some issues, and then in preparation for Friday. All right, guys, thank you very much for participating in this, and it was really good to have you guys here tonight. Have a great night. So I will drop the form like immediately. All right. Bye, guys.